Hey, my friends and friends, Hunter Killer here, and we're gonna be playing Murder Mystery. Murder Mystery 2, actually. And, oh god, why did I choose hardcore? I chose hardcore for some reason, because it says do only first person, and I just want to do first person. But, this is gonna suck. Ooh. What is this in the right corner? God. What is this in the right hand corner? It just looks. He looks devastated. Let me see. How do you salvage stuff? You know what? Oh, I don't care. Alright. Woo. This workshop. Christmas box. 0 winner keys on. It's in his workshop. Hey, it's me saying this. I need to help me with this. Some pescators have been taking too much vacation time this year. There's going to be enough gifts. I need your help making more, or else there won't be any kids or presents this year. Okay. First, you need to salvage weapons for toy parts. Crafting toy parts together to make toys. Wrap the toys and complete a gift. And 10 minutes. Okay. And I get a winner key. And the winner key goes to the boxes. And that's how you make gifts. You can now continue the Christmas event. There's more crafting gifts too. All tokens earned go to the Global Wheel Award. And there are also Christmas challenges out there to complete rewards. Go check out. I didn't even see what there was. Oh, I'm an innocent person. Ain't that great? Oh wait, this is not me. I don't look like this. Oh, they must have updated it. Hiding. I just gotta hide in a good spot. They'll never find out who's hiding behind this bed. I don't know if this looks good or not. Alright. Oh, oh god, it's first person. Oh, this is gonna suck. Alright. I'm just gonna hide back here and hopefully they don't find me. Wait. Someone just died. Oh, snap. Hide up close to the bed. No. And make sure no one sees you. I'm just gonna do this and wait. Oh, there are some people dying fast, and now I don't want to die. Shh, they won't hear us if we are quiet. I think they're gone. I just saw the person that was just killing everyone right there. Well, they don't find me. Oh, someone just died. Yay! I'm an alpha. Yeah. I'm an alpha boy. Alpha. I don't know what to do. Crafting station. Craft materials. Oh. And my reward is nothing. That's how bad I am at this game. I get nothing. Uh-oh. Oh, the sheriff. Nice. Receive your weapon in 2 seconds. Alright. And I can't get out first person. Oh my god, when am I ever gonna learn? Wait. I could hide in a good spot. Oh, this is not a good spot. Just gonna sit in the corner with a revolver out. Yeah, waiting. I hear killing. Oh god, I'm so screwed. I'm just gonna stay here with the revolver and protect myself. Because if they come to that door, they're dead. There's a new sheriff in town and he's gonna save the day. Maybe. Maybe the time will run out. I don't know. I'm just waiting for them to come at me. You don't know if they come towards you. Like if they start coming towards you, then whip out the revolver and just beep. Like if they come at me, I'm gonna whip out the revolver and go like beep, or I'm gonna try to. I don't even know where they're at. You! I shot him with the revolver! What? That's not fair! Dude, these people are hacking. That's the only thing. That's the only explanation. I shot him with the revolver. Oh, nope, it did nothing. Hackers. That's all I gotta say. They're hacking. Like, I knew they were in there, but it was like, you gotta wait a few more years just before you could, do something. I can't do anything. The crafting station. Huh? I can't do anything. Wait. Shop. Knife box. Oh wait, no. Yep, that's me. Oh wait, no. I'm Butterboys right here. For not shooting the murderer. Huh. Oh, that's a big joke right there. I did shoot the murderer, you fat cheaters. I wonder what I could do with this. Nothing. My crafting station. A bunch of metal and pretty much crap. Now let's see what we could do. I'm a girl. And I'm an innocent person. Of course I am. Alright. Alright, what if I just hide back here? Oh no, that's stupid. Oh, get out of here. Bye. I think he's the murderer. They're safe. They're lucky, and they're getting a bunch of coins. Oh, God. Please, time. Shut up. I don't want to die. Oh, he killed him. Oh, that's great. Yeah, we did it. Woo! Diddy. He's the hero. Going with. She had the default knife. He had the cold skin. He had the winter item pack. Oh, I know. What did I get for that match? Nothing. Man, I need to be a sheriff. Or the murderer. Please be the murderer. No, innocent. Just finish me already. I'm done for. Rest gently. No. You'll never know. Oh, there we go. We're good. We're just tied here for the rest of the match, and I am starting to fly all over the place. Please. Oh. People are dying pretty fast, man. I gotta admit that. Oh, God. Oh.